Tommy made to come and save me.
Good job. I'm saved. I wish you would come here to ask me something else. Anything else. Honestly, happy to see you guys at this. Oh, and look, table set for 6.
Tony.
I get it. And I'm happy for you. I really am. This is a second chance. I got my second chance right here, Kat. Can't believe this. Then again, that's the hero gig. Part of the journey is the end. What am I even tripping for? Everything's gonna work out exactly the way it's supposed to. I love you 3000. That's all.